Hi, this is Ryan with Optrua with another quick how-to video. Today we're going to be talking about views and just how to use views and navigate the system a little bit. So here I'm just showing you the My Open Leads from the lead entity. And you'll notice we've talked previously, we've already cleaned up this view list. And so now I have a view that shows me this information. I can easily sort or filter the information if I choose to. You can see there it's sorted with the sort indicator showing up. If I flip it around, it would point down. I can filter. I have a number of filter keywords here: equals, doesn't equal, contains, and so forth. I'm going to just choose begins with. I'll type JO. And notice that it quickly filters down this list. At the bottom, there's a quick indicator for showing record counts. There's 504 total records that start with JO. I could further filter this. Maybe I'm looking for a particular city or state, but I'm going to say maybe this is Dallas. And now I'm down to 18 possible records that start with JO in Dallas. You can quickly see that this can be used to find information very fast by just doing a quick number of filters. The other things that we can do is we can edit the columns and we can also edit the filter. So for example, if I know that there's any missing information like the email address, maybe I want to add that email, add that in, close, and then I can drag this up to the right, say after the phone number. When I apply that, you'll notice that I have now the email address here. I can see that this view has been modified. I have the little asterisk next to it, and you can notice that it cleared my filters. And maybe I want to put the filters back in, but maybe in a different way. And I want to say where the first name begins with JO, like I had before, and then I can add another row where I could say city equals Dallas. So I'm going to set my filter to be what we started with, where first name begins with some combination, in this case JO, city equals a particular city, and then when I apply that, you'll notice that that returns that small number of records, 18, and I have everything listed the way that I want it. This has been just a quick run through of views. They're very powerful and can be a real help in quickly navigating and finding records in the system. Thanks for watching.